To scan your Affirm barcode, start by ensuring you have a smartphone with a camera and internet access. Open the Affirm app on your device. If you have not already downloaded it, you can do so from the App Store. Once the app is open, navigate to the section where your barcode is located. This is usually found in the Order Details or Payment section. Next, click on the barcode to enlarge it. This will make it easier to scan. Now, go to the store where you want to make a purchase and let the cashier know that you want to pay. Using Affirm, the cashier will then open their point-of-sale system and navigate to the section where they can scan barcodes. Hold your smartphone with the barcode facing the cashier's scanner, making sure it is centered and the barcode is clear. The cashier will then scan the barcode. This may take a few seconds. Once the barcode is scanned, the cashier's system will verify the payment and confirm that the funds are available. If the barcode is scanned successfully, the cashier will let you know and you can complete your purchase. It is a good idea to have a backup plan in case the barcode does not scan, such as having a printed copy of the barcode or being able to access your account information online. It is also important to note that you should only share your barcode with authorized cashiers and never with anyone else, as this is sensitive information that could be used to make unauthorized purchases. By following these steps, you should be able to scan your Affirm barcode quickly and easily, and complete your purchase using Affirm.